Hi guys, New Year is coming in 2 days and this application is about generating a new resolution. Okay, so now let's have a look at the script in Python. Basically, we are importing using the random. This will randomly select a resolution from this list. Okay, so this is an array of resolutions and we are defining in a function, the function called generate new year resolution, right? Here we are using the random, okay? So random choice resolution. It will pick a resolution from this list and it's stored in this variable, right? Finally, we are returning this resolution. So we have now defined the function called generate new year resolutions. We are ready to use this function now. Here we are defining a main function. So the main function here, we are calling this function, right, that we define on top there. And this will return a random resolution. And we now have that random solution. We store it in this variable called resolution. Finally, we are just printing out that resolution, right? So your New Year resolution for 2024 is whatever that it randomly picked. And down here we are using the if name equal to main. So this line here basically check if this script is run directly, all right? It is not importing from another module, right? If it is run directly, okay, in this case we are running directly, right? We are running the python.py. So we are just calling the main function here. It will run this main function and it will run all of the code that we define on top here. So now let's have a look. What will it look like? So to run this application, okay, Python 3, python.py, and here it will randomly select one. Okay, so your New Year resolution for 2024 is to learn a new programming language. And now if I run it again, right, it will pick another one. So to read a book every month. And I can still keep running again and again, right? It will show me a new resolution to learn a new skill or hobby. Okay, more right here, travel. Okay, right, and now it select the same one, right? It doesn't know at all. It just randomly picked one resolution from the list. Okay, and again it just show the same one. And if I do that, it will show me another one. Okay, travel to a new place and explore. So yep, that's a very simple script how you can generate a new resolution randomly using Python script.